what I said, success depends on many things. You will succeed or not, that nobody knows. But to be happy is in absolutely your hand. And if there is a dancer inside you and you are dancing, you are happy. Simply you are happy. You do not want that how many people are seeing my dance. When you dance, you are so happy. There is no destiny. That performer and performance are the same. When performer is lost in the performance, when performer is lost in the performance, then there is a performance. Right? I hope you are understanding what I'm saying. You are not waiting that I'll be rewarded. You are not getting that I'll be appreciated. When you dance, you forget everything. Who cares whether somebody is watching or not? Who cares? There is a rose in your with you at your home, and there is a rose in the jungle. Rose has blossomed, not for anybody, because rose is happy, right? Out of happiness, rose has blossomed. Rose has not blossomed that somebody will come and will appreciate me. Rose is not that stupid. So we cannot afford that you should be that stupid. If you dance, you are happy, it is okay. Matter is finished. Then who cares whether somebody admires or not? If somebody admires, it is okay. If you get money, it is also okay. But these are the second factors. The main factor is I dance and I am happy. I hope you understand guys what I mean to say. So in this world, Shikha, to be happy is the most important thing. And when you are happy, you cannot afford a part of negativity within you. So the moral of the whole story is that you are missing your hobbies. You are missing a passion. You are missing a passion. That is the important thing. ठीक है. और खुश रहना आपका अधिकार है. आप खुश हो आप कभी ध्यान देना मेरी बात पर. कभी कोई छोटे बच्चे को दुखी नहीं देखना. आपने कभी देखा a small baby is he may be crying. His mother is making him bath and he is crying like anything. वो उसके शरीर का कष्ट है, उसके मन का कष्ट है, बट वो दुखी नहीं है. वो दुखी he cannot afford to be unhappy because he does not know any future. छोटे छोटे बच्चे मिट्टी से खेलते हैं, महल बनाते हैं, एंड दे आर सो हैप्पी. और हमें 1 करोड़ की लॉटरी लेके तो भी हम 10 मिनट से ज्यादा खुश नहीं होते. 1 करोड़ की लॉटरी केवल 10 मिनट ही खुश देती है. 10 मिनट के बाद फिर गुणे भाग शुरू हो जाते हैं. ये खरीदना है, फिर ये खरीदना है, इनकम टैक्स वाले आएंगे, फिर क्या करना है. वो खुशी केवल कुछ सेकेंड्स की, कुछ मिनट की हो सकती है. उसके बाद तो सब सेटल हो जाता है. राइट फ्रेंड्स? सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई मीन टू से. So friends, it is important for you to know who you are, to know what makes you happy, what passionates you, what aches you. ठीक है? And you must do it. You must do it. If you do not do it, somehow, somewhere you will be unfulfilled. You may have everything. You may have a big house. You may have money, you may have prestige, you may have power, you may have name, fame, everything. But if you are not doing what you deserve to do, for what you have taken birth, for what you are in this earth, then somehow, somewhere you must be unfulfilled. You will be dissatisfied. Somehow, somewhere something will be missing within you. And you can see this with many people. In India, people are misplaced. The person can be a fantastic carpenter and he is a bad doctor because he has given the exam and he has got selected. And Unfortunately, if he belongs to a particular caste, he becomes a doctor so soon. He doesn't like it. He doesn't want to become a doctor. Sometimes it happens that your father wants you to become a doctor and you become a doctor. You do not want to become the doctor. Your father is running a shop. Your father is running a shop. You don't want to become a shopkeeper. You don't want to run that shop. But because your father is running a shop, you start sitting there. Gradually, you are running your shop. You are running a wonderful money. But your life is a blank. Your life, something is missing. Your life is missing you. Your life is missing your soul. It is very, very important. Try to understand what I'm saying. So, friends, to be happy is your birthright. To do whatever you want to do is your birthright. So, remember, what makes you happy is your talent. What makes you happy is your potential, is your strength, is your talent, everything. And anyhow, you have to do it. It is your responsibility being a human being. अगर मनुष्य होने के नाते मैं वो भी ना करूं जो करना मुझे पसंद है तो लानत है मेरे मनुष्य होने पर. Remember this.